Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Guzelian and I just want to share with you what to expect in this channel. I love making candles. I love teaching other people how to make candles. So welcome if you're a candle maker or beginner. Most of you doesn't know that I am rebranding, and I know this video is gonna be old, and you will see this in the maybe in 5 years, 3 years. So I'm rebranding everything. So currently my candle business name is Xtina Candle Co. I started making candles after giving birth to my son. That was December 2021. I will never forget that because I was on a phone while breastfeeding. My kid doesn't drink the bottle. Like, he will cry a lot just giving that bottle, so yeah, what can I do? I'm stuck and I'm on my phone and I was scrolling and I clicked that candle making video and it started there. I'm like, wow, that looks relaxing. And yeah, I fell in love, and right away I bought all these materials on Amazon. I launched my business around June 2022, and yeah, now it's 2024 going to 2025. I'm still doing my best to grow this business, and hopefully next year is gonna be an amazing year. So if you're into this kind of channel, please subscribe right now and treat me as a friend online. This is my life right now. Like, I cannot go out every day. I go out like once a week, honestly, maximum twice a week. So yeah, let's be friends. You guys are welcome all the time, and let's make this channel friendly. Today I am going to unbox this package. If you're making candles for a long time now, I think you know this brand if you're using mold. So we're going to unbox this package together. You guys excited? Because I'm excited. I am collaborating with Boo and Nicole. They sent me this package. I'm really excited. We're gonna make candles today, okay? Is that okay with you? Okay, that's okay with me. Okay. I'm open this. I have camera here, so okay, I just want to make sure. Okay, so I'm gonna use this because I love molds, guys. I have like I have a lot of molds, honestly, and I chose this because I still don't have this design. He sent me this package. Let's open it. Thank you so much, Boo and Nicole. This is my first collaboration with brand, and I hope I'm gonna collaborate with other brand too. Kind of big. Who doesn't like molds, right? Oh my gosh, I love molds. I'm a hoarder. Who's that hoarder here? Why not? If you're using it for business, that's a good hoard. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! So cute! I love their website, guys. You're gonna love it, and they have lots of molds. So cute. So they sent me this. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh, I love this. So cute. It's secured. It has this lock. Wow. So guys, this is what's inside. I can't wait to use this. So it has clip that you're gonna use for this, so it doesn't go anywhere. Okay guys, that's super strong. Love that. Let's put it here. Okay, here, right there. The biggest mold. Okay, put it like this, and like this. Oh, finally, guys. See, and I'm gonna use this clip. I love this one. It's more serious. Yay! Okay, let's put it here. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Buwaniko. You guys, you're gonna love this brand. I'm going to put the link in the description box. My ring is annoying me. So I lost how many pounds? I was 159, 160. Now I'm 143 pounds. And my ring, it was tight and now it's just, you know, keeps spinning. buying these candle molds, click the link in the description box. Right now, you can take advantage of their 10 to 15% discount. So, yeah. That's it for today, guys. I just want to say thank you so much for finishing this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe. You're helping my channel so much. I'm happy to help. I'm happy to share my business journey, what I'm doing behind the scene, and I love collaborating with brands. So just message me or comment down below. Someone in the comment, asking something about candles. Please help me answer, guys, if you know it already. So yeah, I'm a pizza mom, and I'm sorry if I cannot answer everything. So that's it. I will see you guys on the next one. Please take care. Bye.